सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनामधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शांति शांति शांति। थैंक यू। आनिकी వెలుగై వెలిసిన వేళ వేదాల గానమై వినిపించే దేశం జయ హో భారత మాత నీ చరిత్ర మా జీవన గీత శాంతి ప్రేమల సందేశమై విశ్వగురువై నిలిచిన మాత భారత మా గర్వగాథ భారత మా ప్రాణం మా ప్రాణం హిమాలయ శిఖరమే నీదం గంగమ్మ గ్రామమే నీ పవిత్రం అడుగడుగున సంస్కృతి పరిమళం అనువదమున వెలుగుల దర్శన రాముని గర్భం కృష్ణుని గీతం బుద్ధుని కర్ణ మహావీరుని శాంతం వివేకానంద జ్వాల వెలిగించిన జాతి విశ్వానికి మార్గం చూపిన భూమి యోగమే నీ శ్వాస జ్ఞానమే నీ భాష ప్రేమే నీ శక్తి సేవే నీ ఆశ అన్ని మతాలకు ఆలయమైనా ఒక్కటే నీ హృదయం భారతమా। జయ హో భారత మాత నీ చరిత్రే మా జీవన గీత శాంతి ప్రేమల సందేశమై గురువై నిలిచిన మాత భారత మా గర్వగాథ భారత మా ప్రాణం మా ప్రాణం।
सत शुभ स्वागतं नव नव भारतं सुस्वागतं स्वागतं सत शुभ स्वागतं नव नव भारतं सुस्वागतं
सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। झर झर नदियाँ सर सर चलती पवन शुभ तेरे मौसम वन्दे मातरम्। जंगल जंगल डाली डाली चांदनी पर से सपनों वाली तेरे चरणों का चुंबन ले हम शीतल मुस्कान तेरा करम वंदे जग करता तेरी आरती, ऐसी तेरी भक्ति हो। तेरे रूप साक्षात है, तेरे करोड़ों साथ है, तेरे करोड़ों हाथ है, जिनमें तेरी शक्ति है। सारे ही सागरों के तट पर है तेरी प्रशंसा, तेरा हर हर क्षेत्र है प्रशंसा। सुफलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। सुफलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्। वन्दे मातरम्।
ఎందుకంటే మనం ఈ స్వతంత్ర ఉద్యమం గురించి తెలుసుకున్నట్లయితే ప్రభాస్తమించిన బ్రిటిష్ సామ్రాజ్యాన్ని 200 ఏళ్ళు మనం భరిస్తూ భారతదేశ స్వతంత్రాన్ని మనం ఎలా సంపాదించుకున్నాం, మన బానిసత్వ మౌనాన్ని ఎలా విడనాడాం, ఎన్ని అవమానాలు ఎదుర్కొన్నాం, ఎన్ని చేత్కారాలు ఎదుర్కొన్నాం, అలాగే ఎన్ని రక్తదానాలు, ఎన్ని బలిదానాలు, ఎన్ని ఆత్మహత్యలు, ఇవన్నిటిని సమసన భారతదేశపు బ్రిటిష్ సామ్రాజ్యాల పతాకం అవనతమైన రోజు, మూవన్నెల జెండా రెపరెపలాడుతూ ఎగురుతున్న రోజున ఈరోజు మనందరం స్వతంత్రోద్యమం జరుపుకోవడం మనందరికీ భారతీయుడిగా ఎంతో గర్వకారణంగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. అయితే ఈ భారతదేశ స్వతంత్రం మనకి ఏ విధంగా వచ్చింది చూసుకున్నట్లయితే 1600 సంవత్సరంలో బ్రిటిష్ వారు విక్టోరియా మహారాణి దగ్గర వ్యాపార నిమిత్తం భారతదేశానికి వచ్చి వ్యాపారం చేస్తూ ఉండగా భారతదేశంలో గల అపారమైన సంపదను గుర్తెరిగి ఈ భారతదేశాన్ని ఏ విధంగా దోచుకోవాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో అప్పట్లో భారతదేశాన్ని పరిపాలించిన రాజుల మధ్య చిచ్చు పెట్టి రాజులు కొట్లాడుకునేటట్లు చేసి భారతదేశంలో బ్రిటిష్ వారి యొక్క ఉనికిని చాటుకునేలా చేశారు. ఈ విధంగా భారతదేశంలో బ్రిటిష్ వారు ఎక్కువగా డెవలప్ అవ్వడం మొదలుపెట్టారు. ఈ విధంగా డెవలప్ అయ్యి చివరకు భారతదేశాన్ని వాళ్ళే ఆక్యుపై చేసుకున్నంతగా ఎదిగారు. ఇందులో మొదటిగా ఎదిగిన తర్వాత భారతదేశం ఎక్కువగా ప్రధాన వాణిజ్యం వరి, ఆహార పంట వరి ఎక్కువగా పండించేవారు. ఒకసారి వరి పండితే 2-3 సంవత్సరాలకు సరిపడా భారతదేశానికి రైతులు డెవలప్ అవుతుండేవారు.
వేద భూమిది వీర భూమిది పుణ్య చరితల పురిటి గడ్డ ఇది సింధు నాగరికత సాక్షిగా నిలిచిన దేశం విశ్వానికి జ్ఞాన భిక్ష పెట్టిన సనాతన దేశం నేతాజీ సుభాష్ చంద్ర బోస్ పోరాట పటిమా భగత్ సింగ్ చంద్రశేఖర్ రాజాల అమర శౌర్యం సర్దార్ పటేల్ ఐక్యత చతురత మన గుండెల్లో నింపాలి నిరంతర ధైర్యం వందే మాతరం మన శ్వాస కావాలి భారత మాత సేవయే మన ధ్యాస కావాలి అఖండ శక్తుల కలయికతో విశ్వగురువుగా మన దేశం నిలవాలి.
Everybody, first of all, I would like to congratulate on the eve of wonderful our 80th Independence Day. Particularly to my children and parents and the staff of this school, I congratulate them on this occasion. So before going, because I could not get from the backside, I am coming back. which language is convenient to you? English, Telugu, Hindi, 3 languages I can. English only. You are well versed in English. Very good. So, of course, I have not studied like you in the convents. I studied only in that time. It is called who are elders here. It is called as Dumparbadi because Jilla Parishad schools, ordinary schools. I studied in ordinary schools, and from there I raised to the ordinary colleges, junior college, and degree colleges, and Andhra University in Visakhapatnam only. Then I prepared myself. I made my career myself. I came with Telugu medium. Until post graduation, I am in Telugu medium only. After coming into post graduation, at a sudden my language is changed. Medium of language is changed. Telugu to English. Then I strained like anything. I struggled like anything because I came from Telugu from the beginning, from first class to degree. I came in Telugu only, Telugu medium. But at a sudden I got English. Then I understand it is very, very hard for me to come with post graduation in English. But to post graduation language is different. So I strained a lot. I struggled a lot. Dictionaries, that time no computers, no tabs or laptops, only dictionary. I used to go through dictionary. You know what dictionary? 2 dictionaries. It is teared of referring. It teared like that. I referred the dictionaries and I cope up with the English language, and then I attempted to the post graduation, and I came with a flying color with the 7th grade in post graduation also. So that is my academic career. After that, I prepared for civil services, which I could not get, but I could not lost my confidence. Then I gone to Group 2 examination, and in it, sub-inspector post is also included it in Group 2 examination. So I appeared for the service commission, and I got 5th rank in combined state in ABPSC, and I got selected as sub-inspector in 1985, and I retired in 1918, working in various places. As already my biodata has explained to you, I worked a lot of different places, a different culture, different problems, different situations. Because when I first posted, I was posted in extremist Naxalite affected area. There, I am having full of money in my pocket because I am that time lonely, not married. So, full of money in my pocket. But when I got to the raids, means searching for Naxalites in the forest, there we couldn't get anything, nothing except, Atkulu. That we used to take Atkulu in the forest. That is the only. Whatever we carried in the initial, it will completed within 2 or 3 days. Food, biscuits or whatever food. After that, we used to survive on Atkulu or something else available in the forest. Like that, I was trained for 3 years in Adilabad district in the extremist area. After that, completion of my initial training period at district, again I repatriated to my original place, that is Hyderabad city. Again in Hyderabad city, seeing my name and seeing that I am from Andhra, I was posted in Old City as sub-inspector, and from there I promoted as an inspector and posted in Old City only. There, communal situations, always fightings that time. That is 90, around about Babri Masjid collapsing and rights, communal rights. That time I worked there as a SI and inspector, and so many struggles, so many problems I have faced. Because I am hailed from Andhra Pradesh, everybody, even that communal situation, Hindus and Muslims, there are so many differences, but both the communities liking me because I am not having any partiality on anything else. That is my criteria, God-given criteria, and they are believed me, and so many problems solved with my only tactful of talking and solving the problems. Like that, my service completed in Hyderabad city, and next after that, retirement. I have not quite keep quiet. I'm going with singing. I made it as my passion, singing. From my retirement, 1918, I got with my organization Geet Sangeet, and I am going to give. Still, we are giving programs on Geet Sangeet, and it is only passion. I am not a professional. I am passion. Passion only. Whenever I conduct my programs, my hall, my whatever program, it is a small hall, big hall, auditorium, whatever it's so, it will be full with audience, because so many fans I am having in my cultural activities. Like that, after that I selected a cultural activity. From the beginning, from the 8th class, when I studied 8th class, I started my sports career. There I am not in the forest area, Addathigala of East Godavari district. In the agency area, I have studied 8th class. There are no facilities. Only we used to play Coco. You know Coco? Anybody playing Coco? Because that need not need only 2 poles is enough to play Coco. So I started with Coco. Later, ball badminton. Later, hockey. When I entered into the degree hockey, and I represented hockey for Andhra University for 3 years in inter-university tournaments, and simultaneously I did my athletics also. Athletics means 100 meter, 200 meters. Like that, from that time, still I am doing my athletics. Even I retired, I am doing my sports career. One thing I would like to tell to the children here, while I am going for 100 meters run in Guntur for state meet, suddenly my ground having some problem. My ankle twisted, my left ankle twisted, and I completed my run and I got my bronze medal, 3rd place. Even I have injury. And after that, I have not participated in any other activity. And I asked the doctor, what happened, doctor sir, what to do? He told, after seeing X-ray and all those things, he told, no, you have to completely give up your running activity because your leg is injured. Okay, no other go. There is no other go for me to give up that activity. So then I selected. Doctor told, don't go with leg, but he don't go with his hands. So I selected throwing items. That is hammer, javelin. You know javelin, shot put, discus. These are all only with hands. No leg is involved in it. So I took it, and in the nationals, last year nationals, I got silver medal in hammer in Bhopal of Madhya Pradesh. So what I am telling is, once we have lost somewhere, we have to demify in other place. We have to demify in the other place. ఒక చోట మనం దెబ్బతింటే ఇంకో చోట మనం దాన్ని రికవర్ చేసుకోవాలి. मजबूरी कभी भी एक घायल से मजबूर नहीं होना. अपनी हिम्मत से, अपने होशियार से फिर अपन काम लेके जीतने का, हासिल करने का अपना इरादा रहना. इरादा तो इम्पोर्टेंट है. आवर इंटेंशन, आवर that is we have to be like that. Some intentions and that shows our develop our personality, individual personality. Likewise, I suggest all students here to increase your individual personality. Means personality is not a height, chest or whatever. It is your involvement in your studies, your involvement in your sports, your involvement in extracurricular activities, which are giving you very good boost for your, not only to your body, for your brain also, and it will also give boost in your education time. Even I am a sportsman in my education career. My education career is not neglected. I always up to 1.5 months I will give target. after that 1.5 month, I used to only left with books only for studies only. That 1.5 month is enough because I am a sportsman. My brain is very sharp and I am used to my blood supply is very sharp to my brain, and I used to get my ranks in my studies also, even both sports and both studies. So I suggest the student, don't always goes with studies. I request the staff also, please involve students in extracurricular activities like athletic, sports and cultural activities like dramas, dancing, singing, whatever interest they have. So likewise, I am thanking this school organization principal madam for giving this opportunity at chief guest. I am thanking you very much because a long way gone after my retirement to going to schools. When I was ACP Gadwaka, weekly once, any school I used to go for weekly once. I am having very good interaction with the students. After that, this Polak school has given me opportunity to meet with my children, and I am having very glad with you to meet you. And once again, I congratulate you on the occasion of 80th anniversary. And thank you for being here. Thank you.
सरहद पे चले, सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है। भारत माता, माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगावो मेरी निशानी है। सरहद पे चले, सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है। माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगावो मेरी निशानी है। सूरज की तरह सर चढ़ते हैं हम, पर्वत को गिरा के बढ़ते हैं हम, चट्टान से चौड़े सीनों में तूफान उठाना है जोश में सरफरोश लड़ जाना है। बढ़ते चलो, बढ़ते चलो, बढ़ते चलो, रुकना नहीं, झुकना नहीं, बढ़ते चलो, बढ़ते चलो, बढ़ते चलो, बढ़ते चलो, हम एक साथ हैं, एक निशा बढ़ते चलो। जय भगवान सर्वदा शक्तिशाली, जय मां काली आयो गोरखाली। आज हवा भी कह रही है रुकना नहीं, झुकना नहीं, हर कदम पर एक नया इतिहास लिखना है, क्योंकि भारत सिर्फ चलता नहीं, दुनिया को साथ लेकर बढ़ता है। चल उठ बढ़ चल, वक्त पुकारे, सपनों के अब खुले हैं द्वारे, हर धड़कन में जोश हमारा, भारत सबसे प्यारा। मिट्टी बोले मेहनत कर ले, आसमां भी आज छू ले, रास्ता खुद बन जाएगा जब हौसला जग जाएगा। ना रुकना ना थकना, बस आगे बढ़ते जाना, हर मुश्किल से लड़ते जाना। भारत भारत दिल की पुकार, भारत भारत सबसे शानदार, मिट्टी की खुशबू सीने का मान, जय हिंद बोले हिंदुस्तान। हिंदुस्तान।
Ladies and gentlemen, the future of India is not being discussed today, it is being designed today. Young leaders, present your mission. Now let's start with our Education Minister.
Good morning, everyone. I belong to Education Council. Student Center carrying books, laptops, and models. Education is not about only marks. It is about curiosity, creative, and character. To every student across India, let us see beyond the textbooks. Let us question, discover, and innovate. A knowledgeable generation creates a developed nation. Everyone, Mission Education is ready. Thank you.
Let's continue with our Science and Innovation Minister.
Good morning, everyone. I belong to the Science and Innovation Council, visionary of innovation. Every invention begins with one idea. Young innovators, let's create solutions. Let's build, experiment, and explore. The future is created by those who dare to imagine. Thank you.
Let's continue with our Agriculture Minister.
Good morning, everyone. I belong to Agriculture Council, champion of farmers. India's fields feed the nation. Young India, let's respect our farmers. Let's value every grain. Let's support sustainable farming and agricultural innovation. Mission Agriculture ready. Jai Hind.
Let's continue with our Environment Minister.
Good morning, everyone. I belong to Environment Council, guardian of Green India. Students hold plants. Young India, let's protect our rivers. Let's plant and preserve. Let's choose sustainable habits every day. A green India is a developed India. Thank you.
Let's continue with our Health Minister.
Good morning, everyone. I belong to Health Council, a warrior of wellness. Healthy children become a healthy nation. Let's choose fitness. Let's choose nutritious food. Let's care for physical and mental well-being. Jai Hind.
Let's continue with our Defense Minister.
Good morning, everyone. I belong to Defense Council, Shield of India. Students salute. A strong nation is protected not only at its borders but also by responsible citizens. Young India, let's respect our armed forces. Let's protect public property. Let's stand united in every situation. Jai Hind.
Let's hear the voice of an entrepreneur from our country.
Good morning, students. I belong to Entrepreneurship Council, builder of New India. Students bring small products. Job seekers become job creators through innovation. Young minds, let's solve problems. Let's think differently. Let's build enterprises that serve society. Thank you.
Let's hear from the Sports Minister.
Good morning, everyone. I belong to Sports Council. Sports teaches discipline, teamwork, and resilience. Young India, let's play with passion. Let's compete with integrity, and let's make our India proud. Jai Hind.
Let's continue with our Culture Minister.
Good morning. I belong to Culture Council. Students perform cultural poses. Modern India grows stronger when it remembers its roots. So, young India, let's celebrate our languages, arts, and traditions. Let's preserve our heritage while embracing progress. Thank you.
Let's end it with a responsible citizen from our country.
Good morning, everyone. I am the ambassador of responsibility. No mission succeeds without a responsible citizen. So, young India, let's be honest, let's obey the laws, let's respect every worker, and let's make every action count. Jai Hind.
A developed India cannot be built by one ministry, one profession, or one generation. It is built when every citizen contributes. Today, the Young Indian Council presents not a promise, but a movement. To all the students in India, let's protect with pride, preserve our culture, care for our nation, and lead with responsibility. Let's build Viksit Bharat 2047. The mission begins with us. The future belongs to all of us. Jai Hind.
हिमालय की चोटियों से सागर के किनारे तक हवाओं में घुला है जो वो जोश है गजब, जोश है गजब। रंगों का त्योहार है, हर दिल में प्यार है, मिट्टी की खुशबू में अपना संसार है। उत्तर से दक्षिण तक, पूरब से पश्चिम, एक सुर में गा रहे हैं हम सब हर दिन। देखो कैसे बदल रहा है वक्त का ये कारवां। धड़कन में है, सांसों में है, ये देश मेरी जान है। उठ रहा है सर फख्र से, झुक रहा आसमां है, दुनिया सुन ले शोर मेरा। गूंज रहा हिंदुस्तान है, गूंज रहा हिंदुस्तान है।
Takadhimita, takadhimita, takadhimita. Tak 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 tak. Tak 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 tak.
बेटियाना कोरापुटिया गीत गाई करे ढेमसा मारू नाना डुडुंगा बाजाई मेरी फुकी ढेमसा मारू नाना से बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत घड़ी। हम मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का, अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का, जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं। हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का, तू बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का। सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई चाल, मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का। मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा, तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा, इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा। मैं जब के पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा, तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा। जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा। तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा, झंडा इंडिया का बटे गाड़ दूंगा। जीतूं या हारूं मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं, तुमको मैं दिखाऊं मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं। माँ ही मेरा रब है, मेरी माँ ही मेरा पीर, मेरी माँ के पैरों के अलावा कोई दरगाह नहीं। नाचूंगा मुझको फितूर है, नाचूंगा दिल मजबूर है। आज की शाम मेरी माँ के है नाम, मेरी माँ मुझे।
जब तक मुझ में है जरा सी जान, माए तेरी